Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best wireless tattoo machine is probably one of the most revolutionary tools to hit the tattoo industry in recent years. Offering unparalleled freedom and convenience, these machines have quickly become a favorite among artists. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of wireless tattoo machines, exploring their features, benefits, and what you should consider before investing in one. Number 5. Dragonhawk Atom Wireless Tattoo Pen Kit. This complete kit is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to start your tattoo journey, from the pen machine to the needles and power supply. The Atom Tattoo Pen has a 3.5mm stroke length, ideal for both lining and shading. It's designed to help apprentices easily learn and master their skills, and it's also great for permanent makeup. All the supplies in this kit have been tested by professional artists. They've provided feedback to improve the products. Dragonhawk also has a strict quality inspection process. The tattoo machine has a DC port for continuous operation, with low noise and long-lasting stability. The B1 battery is lightweight and compact, perfect for any tattoo pen. It starts up quickly and has an LCD display. The kit includes 20 cartridge needles in 2 sizes. They are polished and reliable for all-purpose work. Each needle is individually packaged and sterilized for safety. With the Atom Wireless Complete Tattoo Kit, you'll have everything you need to start. This includes the Atom Pen Machine, a B1 battery power supply, various cartridge needles, black ink, and other essential supplies. What we like. This kit is perfect for those just starting out. It includes everything you need to begin your tattoo journey. If you are a beginner, this kit is your best choice, because it provides all the necessary supplies and has been tested by professionals, ensuring a smooth and reliable experience. What people say. Works great, solid device, smooth and dependable, good variation on watts. It charges well and lasted a very long time. It fits any needle cartridges and I am happy that I got it for more than a few weeks and month. It's smooth. Quiet. Sharp lines. Number 4. Solong EM128 Kit Bird 50-1 US Tattoo Pen Kit. This Solong tattoo pen is designed for precision. It gives you the feel of an actual pen. You can use it for tattooing, permanent makeup, and more. The pen is CNC machined from aircraft aluminum alloy. This ensures durability and a comfortable feel. The anodized finish adds to its sleek design. It features a 10W motor made in Taiwan. This motor runs quietly and is stable. It also stays cool even during long tattoo sessions. The kit includes the tattoo pen, 50 cartridge needles, and a rechargeable battery. The battery has 1500 mAh capacity and DC 5.5 connection, everything you need to get started. This pen is compatible with other power supplies. An adapter is included. The operating voltage is 7-11V, do not exceed 11V. It comes with CE certification and a 1-year warranty. Solong has over 10 years of experience. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This pen's design gives you the closest feel to a real pen. It is made of CNC machined aluminum alloy and a 10W Taiwan motor. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile machine, this is the one for you, as it is compatible with all power supplies and offers a comfortable experience. What people say. The ability to have an adjustable power supply or a battery is great. The gun itself is smooth and simple to use. Works like a charm. Not too much vibration. Long battery life and overall good performance. Number 3. Mast Archer Cordless Tattoo Pen Machine. Introducing the Mast Archer, a cordless tattoo pen machine designed for professional use. It features a powerful motor and a long-lasting battery, ensuring a smooth and efficient tattooing experience. The Archer has an easily adjustable voltage, thanks to its visible LCD screen. The frame is made of standard aluminum alloy and CNC carved, offering both durability and precision. Powered by a custom-core cordless motor, this machine delivers smooth speed changes with minimal vibration. This reliable motor requires no maintenance, making it a dependable choice for artists. With a 2000 mAh built-in battery, the Archer can run for up to 8 hours. It also features fast charging via a Type-C jack, along with overcharge, short circuit, and temperature control protections. The Archer's one-piece body and seamless design make it easy to clean and protect. Its suitable weight and comfortable grip ensure it is ideal for all-day professional use. This pen is compatible with all sizes of cartridge needles. The advanced gear system ensures smooth, soft, and quiet operation, delivering ideal healing results for all skin types. The Mast Archer can be used cordless or cabled with a charge cable. It offers long-lasting runtime and is easy to clean, making it a versatile tool for any tattoo artist. What we like. This machine features a powerful core motor and a long-lasting 2000 mAh battery. If you like long working hours without interruption, this machine is perfect for you, because it is designed for all-day professional use, providing comfort and efficiency. What people say. Very light, easy, long-lasting battery, by far my best machine, cheaper and better than the less than $400 machines. Tatted 6 people straight and didn't lose battery. The Mast Archer wireless tattoo machine rotary pen style supply is a high-quality and reliable tattoo machine that is designed for both professional and novice tattoo artists. One of the standout features of this machine is its wireless design, allowing for greater freedom of movement during the tattooing process. Number 2. HAWINK Wireless Tattoo Kit. This is the HAWINK Wireless Rotary Tattoo Gun. It features a powerful motor and a sleek design, making it comfortable and precise. The lightweight design allows for a more enjoyable tattooing experience. The kit includes a wireless power supply with an LCD digital display. This upgraded battery has a 1600 mAh capacity and can run from 4.5 to 11 volts. Fully charged, it can last for 3 to 5 hours depending on usage. This kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes the tattoo machine, RCA cord, tattoo ink set, needles, cups, gloves, grip tape, transfer paper, and practice skin. It's perfect for beginners and experienced artists. The tattoo machine has a 3.5 mm stroke and a needle depth of 4 mm. The machine is super stable and quiet, allowing for a more comfortable and precise tattooing procedure. It is a great choice for any tattoo artist. If you have any questions about the kit, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help you with any problems you may have, whether it's about usage or any issues with the set. We will solve your problems as soon as possible. What we like. This machine is lightweight and features an LCD digital display. If you are a beginner or a professional looking for a complete kit, this is the perfect choice. It includes everything you need, from the machine to the ink, making it easy to start your tattooing journey. What people say. The kit comes with fake skin, stencil paper, battery pack, tattoo pen, a pack of tattoo, ink caps and assortment of ink colors. Also a box of 3 round liners and 10 round liners cartridges. It's light, you can twist the pen to throw your needle depths. The machine can also run without the battery by plugging it directly into a tattoo machine power supply, not included, which eliminates the battery weight and can be beneficial for holding and guiding the machine during longer sessions. Number 1. Wormhole TK127 Cordless Tattoo Machine Kit. This kit includes a wireless tattoo power supply. It combines the functions of a wired power supply and a foot pedal. This allows you to work without wires and focus on your art. It charges in 3 hours and can last for 6 hours. The cordless motor drives the machine directly, reducing vibration and skin damage. This ensures balanced coloring and stable frequency. It also prevents overheating, helping you create beautiful tattoos. You can use the included cordless power supply or connect it to a traditional power supply with an RCA cord. This gives you flexibility in how you choose to work. The kit includes 8 different colors of 30 ml tattoo ink. You won't have to worry about running out of ink quickly. Feel free to bring your creative visions to life. The product comes in attractive packaging, making it a great gift. It's a complete kit designed to get you started. What we like. This kit offers the freedom of cordless operation with its wireless power supply. If you are looking for a kit that offers both convenience and a wide range of colors, this is the perfect choice. It allows you to work without wires and provides a variety of ink colors for your creations. What people say. Easy to use even for a beginner like myself. Runs good and runs smooth. The small pen fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.